Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are talking about KMU-CAT second test 2025 chemistry MCQs part 1a. Dear students, if you need MCQs for KMU-CAT test preparation, let me know in the comment section. अगर आपको KMU-CAT टेस्ट प्रिपरेशन के लिए MCQs चाहिए तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में बता सकते हैं. डियर व्यूवर्स, अभी तक अगर आपने मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी सब्सक्राइब कर लें, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें. अगर आप KMU-CAT टेस्ट के लिए तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए है. इस वीडियो को आखिर तक ज़रूर देखें. शुक्रिया. In the DNA molecule, option A, guanine content does not equal cytosine content. Option B, adenine content does not equal thymine content. Option B, adenine content equals uracil content. And option D, guanine content equals cytosine content. So the correct option is D. Guanine content equals to cytosine content. Explanation is, according to Chargaff's rule, in DNA, the amount of guanine equal to cytosine and the amount of adenine equal to thymine. So dear students, this is very important MCQs. DNA rich in GC pairs has dash. Guanine and cytosine pairs has dash. Option A, 1 hydrogen bond. B, 2 hydrogen bonds. C, 3 hydrogen bonds. And option D, 4 hydrogen bonds. So the correct option is C, 3 hydrogen bonds. GC base pairs are held together by 3 hydrogen bonds, while AT, adenosine and thymine, adenine and thymine pairs have 2 hydrogen bonds. Dear viewers, subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from a technologist. Reactions in which simple substances are combined to form complex substances are called: option A, metabolic reactions. B, catabolic reactions. C, anabolic reactions. And option D, none of these. So the correct option is C, anabolic reactions. Anabolism builds complex molecules, for example protein synthesis, while catabolism breaks them down. The number of base pairs in a single turn of B-form DNA about the axis of the molecule is: option A, 4, B, 8, option C, 10, and option D, 12. So the correct option is C, 10. B-form DNA completes one turn every 10 base pairs. So this is very important MCQ. Phosphorylation of adenosine to AMP is catalyzed by dash. Option A, adenosine kinase. B, deoxycytidine kinase. Option C, phosphokinase. And option D, synthetase. So the correct option is A, adenosine kinase. Adenosine kinase phosphorylates adenosine to form AMP. So this is very important MCQs. Dash are sweet and readily soluble in water. Option A, maltose. B, sucrose. C, starch. And option D, glucose. So the correct option is D, glucose. While maltose and sucrose are also sweet and soluble, glucose is the most fundamental and universally soluble monosaccharide unit. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है, बराए मेहरबानी मेरे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें। शुक्रिया। So this is last MCQs. In humans, the product of purine catabolism is option A uric acid, B urea, C kinase, and option D xanthine. So the correct option is A uric acid. In humans, lack uricase. So uric acid is the final product of purine breakdown. Thank you for watching my videos.